Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how Bank Nifty and Nifty has performed and how Bank Nifty and Nifty can perform tomorrow. See, if you look at the chart, what you can see that the Bank Nifty was moving in a particular zone since for a particular period it was moving in this particular zone, and if you look at the trend, okay, after breaking this particular trend it has made a downfall. Okay, and overall if you look at some point, we have seen this is the range, it has break downside, so probability of going down, so there is a probability it can go further down. Okay, so next support coming at around 36,731, around 70, 36,730 or 27. Okay, so what we can see, okay, and see, look at the chart, this was the gap pending and this was the gap pending. Okay, so there was a probability that it has to be filled. So okay, so after crossing this, we have seen this gap has filled, and now if we look at the price, we have seen one more gap is pending here. Okay, suppose if the price opens below this level, okay, Bank Nifty opens in this particular zone, suppose, then we can see yes, it can go and touch our resistance, it can face it at around 36,882, or if it sustain above this level, then probability of the next resistance coming at around 36,962. Okay, and if it stays above this level, then we can see yes, it can go further upside and can touch a level of 37 also, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 37,084. Okay, but suppose if it opens in this particular zone and if it breaks a support of around 36,747, then we can see yes, it can go further low to a level of 36,722, and once this range cross downside, then we can see the next support coming at around 36,660, and if it didn't sustain this level, then probability of reaching it can touch a level of 36,550 also. Okay, so this is a strong support, 36,550, and if it crosses downside, we can see it can go further low, but if it didn't sustain, if it sustained this level, then we can see it can bounce back from this level or it can go further high. Okay, so let's wait where the market opens. If it opens above this level, then we can see upside. If it goes below this level, then this resistance we seeing at around 36,560. Okay, if we talk about Nifty, so what we have to do is let's wait where the 15-minute candle says and then we'll move accordingly. So if we talk about Nifty, see, we talk about Nifty, we can see yes, probability, see, it is continuously falling here. If we look at the full day, after making a high of 17,317, it is after that it is continuously falling. Okay, so once this range, a next support coming at around 17,189, so once this range breaks downside, then we can see it can go low to a level of 17,159, and from there we can see a level of 17,142, and from there we can see it can go and touch a level of 17,104. Okay, if it goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 17,057, and once if it goes below this level, then there is a gap pending, so probability is high it can touch at this level. But suppose if it opens in this particular zone and move upside, then the resistance we can face coming at around 17,279, and from there we can see a level of 17,290. Okay, if it goes above this level, then we can see it can go and touch a level of 17,303, and if it sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level of 17,330, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 17,351. Okay, and it can go further upside. So this is the range which is very important. If this range breaks downside, we can see further down in the Nifty. If it goes above this level, then only we can see it can go further high. So what you have to do is let's wait where the first 15-minute candle form, and then we'll decide where the market opens. Okay, so gap is pending, as well as we have seen this range. If this range breaks downside, we can see there a probability of going down is very high. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it, and there's a mail ID I've given in the description. You can mail me for any doubt.